Welcome back to Maya Wojnoshka Schilling's Duolife Canada channel. Today we're going to be talking about how the civilization and the challenges is giving us current problems with chemically modified foods, everyday stress, pollution. So therefore, due to the impoverished soil that's low in minerals and the usage of genetically modified seed, there is very little nutrients left in the soil that we also buy from the superstore or the supermarket. The only way to preserve the vitamins in the fruits and vegetables is to actually buy the Duolife liquid supplement that you'll see a picture of later on in the video. It is available at newgoldpill.com. So please get a pen and a piece of paper and go directly to newgoldpill.com where you can sign up and immediately save 40% off on your purchase today. It isn't easy for people to have the extra time and also the extra effort to sit there, and perhaps they don't even have any land. Many people live in apartments to grow their own vegetables in their own garden. The other thing too is due to the fact that most of the seeds people buy at the store is genetically modified and not heirloom seeds, you're not going to be getting the best nutrient value from the genetically modified seeds that you're getting from the gardening store. What I mean is from the gardening store. People who think they have good health can improve it easily by going over to newgoldpill.com and purchasing something called the Duolife liquid supplement that you're seeing here, called the Duolife Cholesterol Supplement Kit. Again, this is called the Duolife Cholesterol Supplement Kit. We encourage you to please do your own due diligence and research, and most importantly, subscribe to our Duolife Canada channel. We'll be uploading videos on a regular basis so you can continue to be educated and understand why Duolife and our supplements is the solution to help you prevent from dying of cancer, heart attack, stroke, or even amputation if you're a diabetic patient. There is a problem with the soil. In many places, there is something called mineral depletion problems. One of the great problems that people have today is the lack of good sources of nutritional supplements for long-term health. Instead, they go to Costco, Walmart, all the places where a lot of the supplements are actually harmful and toxic because the people who supply the supplements do not follow stringent standards like Duolife. There are some good companies out there, and we're one of them. However, please be careful that many are really cheap and some do not even work as well as they should or claim to be. So you have to be smart about where you buy them. So I'm glad you're here watching this video and doing your due diligence today. So we do suggest for you to buy the Duolife Liquid Cholesterol Supplement Set, available at newgoldpill.com. A really good source for long-term health is something called whole liquid supplements, the Duolife liquid supplements. Whole food vitamins and supplements with all the vitamins in their natural form. That's why it's liquid. And they have been manufactured from whole foods in a soil that is rich with minerals. And they have been in proper balance to make an absolutely, absolutely amazing vitamin. It's not been sprayed. None of our supplements have ever been sprayed. They're not genetically modified. They're 100% natural. There's no sugar in it. So you can take your vitamins with plenty of water, and they are available in powder form as well. There is no harm in taking them anytime. It is just a matter of timing. There are a few ways to get good health these days, and one of them is to buy the liquid supplement set at newgoldpill.com. In order to get all the nutrients that you need, you would need to take them after every meal, so you can take them as soon as you feel that you need to. Tune into the next video, and we're going to be talking about how the supplements that gets absorbed on a cellular level. So please continue watching and watch the rest of this documentary on the Duolife weight loss metabolism set. Thank you for staying tuned extra watch this video.
Duolife Cholesterol Set. Your body is a huge, well-functioning mechanism which is in a constant movement. It constantly works when you sleep. The blood circulates 24 hours a day. What if an obstacle occurs? Cholesterol is one of the main reasons of venous thrombosis. Blockages in arteries can be a direct cause of strokes and cardiac arrests. Say stop to cholesterol and give a green light to red cells with the SET Duolife Metabolism Cholesterol, designed according to research in the scope of daily rhythm and pharmacokinetics. For your blood to circulate freely.
To prevent parasites from coming into your body, go to newgoldpill.com now. Please pause this video, grab a pen, and go to newgoldpill.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed watching our video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.